Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're looking at a 2013 Hyundai Sonata Limited. Under the hood we have a 2.4 liter L4 engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. This guy is in kind of a dark blue gray color. It looks awesome. You do have the Hyundai logo up front with the chrome accenting on the grille there. It looks awesome. You do also have your projector style headlights right there. They are very bright, and your fog lights just down there as well. And coming around the side here, we do have Komu brand tires with 17-inch rims. Still lots of tread left on them. The rims look very nice as well. You do have your mirrors right there with the turning signals on them. And coming all the way to the back, we do have our Limited logo as well as the Sonata. You got your backup camera hanging out under there. And to open it up, we just got to press the button right here. Open it up. Lots of room back here, very spacious. You can fold those seats forwards as well, and everything is very soft, so it won't be getting scratched up. Okay, we got our keys here. We got 2 press to unlock. We got our 1 press to lock. You got the back to open up the back there. Then you also have your horn there. You can also press the button right here to lock and unlock it. Now, let's take a look on the inside. So on the door here, you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks all hanging out right there. You got your handle here in the chrome. Looks very nice. Handle here, and then you do have some leather here to rest your arm on. You got some room down here with some cup holders there. And we do also have our electric seats here, so backward and forward, as well as the tilt and the lumbar support. Leather seats here, very comfortable and nice as well. Lots of room in here. It looks fantastic. Over here we do have the controls over our in-cabin lights right here. We have our eco mode and our traction control right there, and then we do have this button that opens up your gas and your trunk there. And then this guy up here does control your windshield, or sorry, your lights and your turning signals, and it does have the off, auto, and daytime running lights there. Okay, we do have the keys in here, so all we gotta do is put our foot on the brake, press the button, and it starts right up for us. In the center here, we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as our fuel gauge and our engine temperature here. Now, as well, we can change that guy in the middle. It does say our distance still empty, but we can change that around to our average fuel economy. We have our instant there, our odometer. Then we also have our average speed. We have our elapsed time, trip A and B, and then back to your distance still empty. Now that is controlled from your steering wheel here. You also have your volume up and down and your skip there with the mode. Then you have your Bluetooth options here, horn in the center, your cruise control options there, and here's where we change that little guy in the middle, your trip button there. You do have that guy to start it up right there. And we do have our touchscreen display right in the center here. It looks fantastic. Got your CD player up here with the load there, or the eject. And this one does bring up the time and the temperature outside. It is a touchscreen display, so you do have your AM, your FM, and your Sirius XM all in there. You can see your list and whatnot. So you do have your AM and FM there as well. Then you got your XM, you got your Seek, your media, volume up and down with the power there. You got your map here for your GPS, so it tells you where you are, your destination, and your route. You can see we are in Wreck Place, of course. You also got your tuner, your setup, your enter, your phone, and your display there as well. And then down here in our climate control, we have our defrost here. We have the auto and the off. You have the power, or the temperature up and down. It is a dual climate system, so you and your passenger are at different levels of hot or cold. To change where it's blowing out of, you actually just press these little buttons. They're really cool. Power's here. Then you also have your circulation, your dual, your AC, and your climate there. And this guy does open up. You just press the button. Slides open just like that. And you got some storage in there. And looks very nice. Down here we do have an aux cord, USB plug-in, and an iPod plug-in. Then you do have your gear shift here. When you do shift into reverse, you got that backup camera, always keeping you nice and safe. You got cup holders here, and you have your seat warmers right there. Now, right here we also have a top layer and a bottom layer here. The key is actually, it has a little key holder right here. You can just pop it in and out like that, and it sits like that, or you can put it back in. It's actually pretty neat. Thought that was kind of cool. Now, you also have your locking glove box just over here with your owner's manual inside of it. Lots of room in there as well. And up top here, we do have the control over our sunroof and our sunglass holder. The sunroof is very nice. It does a dual pane, so it's huge and lets in tons of light. It looks fantastic. Take a look in the back here. Open this guy up. Now, on the door here, you do have seat warmers for the people in the back. You do have the control of your windows and the handle here with that same leather. You have a little bit of storage down here with that water bottle holder. Leather interior back here as well. Very nice. You can open this guy up just like this. And you got some cup holders there as well. And you can fold the seats down as well. The access is in the trunk. And there's our 2.4 liter L4 engine. Well, that does it for my walk around video of the 2013 Hyundai Sonata Limited. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.